Goodbye to the most famous ship in the world. The Mauretania starts on her last voyage from Southampton to the shipbreaker's yard at Rosyth. She is flying the blue ribbon to show that for so many years she held the Atlantic speed record. Among the ships which lead the chorus of sirens as she moves away is the Olympic. Yachts, pleasure steamers, and almost every type of boat join in the send-off, not only in Southampton dock, but along the whole stretch of Southampton water. And so she leaves us, to make way for younger ships, and particularly for the Queen Mary, whom we all hope will soon be carrying on the traditions of Britain on the sea.